In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track order in Alibaba app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to read every piece of tracking information so you can follow your package with confidence. First, open Alibaba.com and log into your account. If you're using the app, the process is the same. Just make sure you're signed into the same account you used to place the order. If you have more than one account, double check you're in the right one so your orders appear correctly. Once you're in, look for the profile icon. On the app, it's typically at the bottom right. On the website, it's at the top. Tap or click the profile icon, then go to My Orders. This is your order hub where every purchase you've made is listed in one place. Find the order you want to track. You'll see the product name, order date, and order number to help you identify the right one. When you found it, open it by selecting View Order or Track Order. Depending on the status of your purchase and your device, you might see either option. They both lead you to the same details you need. On the order page, check the order status. You'll typically see processing, shipped, or delivered. Processing means the supplier is preparing your item and getting it ready to hand over to the carrier. Shipped means it's on its way and you should soon see movement in the tracking. Delivered confirms the carrier has completed the delivery. Next, look for the carrier name and the tracking number. The carrier name tells you which shipping company is handling your package, and the tracking number is the unique code that identifies your shipment. This number is what powers the live tracking information. To see the latest movement, tap or click the tracking number. This opens live shipping updates, things like when the package was picked up, processed at a facility, cleared customs, went out for delivery, and when it was delivered. Keep in mind that updates may appear with a short delay, and timestamps can sometimes reflect different time zones. If your tracking just became available, allow a little time for the first scans to appear. That's the full process. Log in, go to My Orders, open the order, review the status, note the carrier and tracking number, and use that tracking link for real-time updates. With this, you can keep an eye on your package from dispatch to delivery. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother tracking on Alibaba.